Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy. With millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace a surface element in your cooktop, be sure to turn off the power supply to the junction box. Unthread the screws securing the junction box cover and remove the cover. Untwist the wire nuts to disconnect the power and grounding wires. Loosen the conduit connector screw or screws, then remove the conduit cable from the junction box. Next, use a Phillips-head screwdriver to fully unthread the two clamping screws from the clamping brackets. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to loosen the adjustment screws securing the clamping brackets. Rotate the brackets inward, then tighten the screws. You can now lift the cooktop out of the cutout space in the countertop and set the cooktop on a sturdy surface. Using a 1/4-inch nut driver or a Phillips-head screwdriver, unthread the 12 screws securing the glass top to the base. Carefully lift the top off and set it aside. Note the position of the element spring clips, then detach the old element from the support rail. Note the orientation of the wires connected to the element, then disconnect them. Prepare the new surface element for installation by first transferring the spring clips from the old element to the new one. Use the numbers engraved on the base to position the clips in the proper locations. Transfer the insulating tape as well from the old element terminal block to the new one. Connect the wires to the appropriate terminals. Insert the clips into the slots in the support rail and snap the new element into place. Realign the glass top on the base. Then thread and tighten the screws to secure. Now realign the cooktop in the cutout space of the countertop. Loosen the two adjustment screws and rotate the clamping brackets outward, then tighten the screws. Next, thread one of the clamping screws through the outermost hole in the bracket. Tighten the screw against the underside of the countertop. Avoid over-tightening. Repeat for the opposite side to fully secure the cooktop. Feed the conduit cable through the connector into the junction box. Tighten the screw or screws to secure the conduit. Now join the black wires together and secure them with a wire nut. Do the same to secure the two red wires together and the two white wires. If your junction box has a 4-wire power supply line, join the green or bare grounding wire or wires to the bare grounding wire from the cooktop and secure them with a wire nut. If your power supply only has 3 wires, connect the grounding wire or wires along with the white wire from the cooktop to the white neutral wire in the box. With all of the wires positioned inside the junction box, replace and secure the cover. With the repair completed, restore power to the junction box, and the cooktop should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.